Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use Delta Math to simplify fractions. The first fraction that my problem is simplifying 66/90. Yeah, you can see this. 66. Oh, that's not even a 6. Sorry. 66/90. I know a factor that 66 and 90, one that they have in common, is 3. 3 goes into both 66 and it goes into 90. 66 divided by 3 is 22. And 90 divided by 3, so I divided the top number by 3 and the denominator by 3. 90 divided by 3 is 30. The next thing that I noticed, so if I type in there 22/30, it's going to be incorrect because I know that they still have another common factor. I know that 22 is an even number and 30 is an even number. That means that 2 is a common factor for both of them. So I'm going to divide even further. 22, I'll divide my numerator by 2 and my denominator by 2. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 11 and 15 do not have any factors in common except for 1. It's not worth it to try dividing 11 by 1 because then you just get 11. So my answer down here in my answer box is 11. Oops, my number key didn't work. 11, and I just hit the slash button to make it do the fraction. Oops, I already have one fraction bar in there. It's 11/15, and then I submit my answer. I got my green check. It tells me how I could do this. See, I could have used the factor of 6, but if I didn't know that, you can factor in steps, or you can simplify in steps. And then you just click new problem and it should keep going. Okay? All right. Next, I want to show you how you can work on the equivalent fractions. So this is the equivalent fractions assignment that was in Delta Math. So it says on here that you're going to scale the numerator and denominator up by a factor of 3. So if you're scaling up, then you're multiplying, it's getting bigger. And it even says in the directions to multiply. You see right there where it says multiply to write a fraction equivalent to 2/3. So I have 2/3. I'm going to scale up by using multiplication. I multiply my numerator and denominator by thirds, and I end up with 6/9. Where it says submit answer, you click in the box, type 6, and then I use the little slash button in my keyboard, 6/9, and submit. There we go. I get my green check. It shows me a visual. It shows me mathematically why that works. And then I have one more example for you. Okay, here we're going to be working on converting improper fractions to mixed numbers or mixed numbers to improper fractions. Now, if you don't know how to do any of these assignments, you can just click up here on the button that says show solution, and ta-da, it tells you, it walks you right through the steps how to do your work. If you want to try then doing the assignment yourself, try doing the problem. It gives you that option. It lets you go back and do the work. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to convert 43/7 into a mixed number. That means I take my numerator, 43, and divide it by my denominator, 7. So I have 43 divided by 7. 7 doesn't go into 4. 7 goes into 43 6 times. 6 times 7 is 42. I subtract. 1 is my answer. So my equivalent fraction is 6. 1 is my new numerator, and that denominator stays the same. So my answer is 6 and 1/7. When I click in the boxes on my screen, 6 and 1, oops, not 7, 1/7. There you go. Let me know if you have questions.